I'd be happy to hear another completely original ballad. Tidal echoes of us. The city lights are fading slow, but you're the only light I know. Your laughter still lives in these empty rooms, like flowers trying to bloom. I count the stars instead of sleep, holding promises I couldn't keep. Every road I walk alone still feels like our way home.
Can you hear my heart tonight, calling through the endless sky? Even oceans can erase the love time couldn't hide.
We're the echoes of a love that never truly disappeared. Every whisper in the wind brings you closer, crystal clear. Though the world keeps moving on, you're the rhythm of my heart. Even if we're miles apart, love remembers who we are.
Your old jacket keeps me warm, like you're still protecting me from storms. Every picture tells a story that my soul still wants to read. People say to let you go, but love is all I've ever known. If tomorrow gives me grace, I'll still search for your embrace.
Maybe fate is drawing lines only heaven understands. Maybe every broken dream finds another chance again. We're the echoes of a love that never truly disappeared. Every whisper in the wind brings you closer, crystal clear. Though the world keeps moving on, you're the rhythm of my heart. Even if we're miles apart, love remembers who we are.
If I lose my way tonight,
I'll become your guiding light.
if your tears begin to fall,
I'll be there through it all. Every ending hides a start. Every scar becomes a spark. Love is written in the stars. Nothing can erase our hearts. We're the echoes of forever, shining brighter than before. Every heartbeat sings your name louder than the ocean's roar. When the sunrise paints the sky, hope will open every door. No matter where this life may lead, I'll keep loving you much more.
when the silence fills the air,
You'll still find me waiting there. If the world forgets our story, our hearts never will.